Hi, my name is Kieran. I've been listening to the LCTS podcast for the past 4 years, Tingle Shishore Zhongwen. And I can honestly say that this podcast has been so helpful for me in learning Chinese. It's really developed my Chinese listening skills. And not only that, but it has also given me that deeper understanding of China, and especially that recent podcast about Tang Ping. I think it really helped understand the situation in China. So this podcast is really good at covering different stories. The story walkthroughs I think are genuinely amazing. And I can honestly say that without LCTS, I don't think I would have passed HSK 5. So thank you, and I will keep on listening.